Assalamualaikum and hi everyone. My name is Muhammad Eiffiqar Hakimi bin Muhammad Nasir, and today I am excited to share something interesting with all of you. Before we begin, let me ask you to imagine this situation. Imagine two students sitting in the same examination hall. One student is trying hard to remember the step of photosynthesis from light absorption to glucose production. Meanwhile, another student looks at a math question and confidently say, if x is equals to 2, then the answer is easy. Both students are intelligent, but they are thinking in different ways. This brings us to focus on my speech. Biology and mathematics are two subjects that develop different thinking styles in students. Biology focus on life, system, and real-world process, while mathematics focus on numbers, pattern, and logic. These different influence how students understand content, solve problem, and even make decisions. By understanding this, we can better appreciate the different strengths students have in learning. The purpose of this speech is to help you understand the different ways biology and mathematics learners think. In terms of credibility, I have studied both biology and mathematics before, and experiencing both subjects has helped me understand how each type of learners approach learning in a different way. The central idea of my speech is that biology learners and mathematics learners are not better or worse than each other. They simply think differently because of how their subject train the mind. In this speech, I will first explain how biology learners think, then how mathematics learners think, and finally compare both thinking styles to show how each group is unique. Now, let's start by exploring how biology learners think. First and foremost, biology learners think in different ways that are close relate to real-world concepts and living system. To begin with, biology learners often rely on memory and understanding. Many topics involve long process, such as photosynthesis or digestion. So, students must remember steps and understand how each part works together as a system. They also tend to think in a visual and story-based way. Many biology learners imagine process like a storyline where one step leads to another. That is why diagram and flowchart are very helpful in biology. In addition, biology learners enjoy real-life examples. Topics like disease, ecosystem, or body system are easier to understand when students can relate them on nature or their own experience. Overall, biology thinking is often explanation-based, where students focus on understanding relationship between concepts rather than memorizing formulas. Now that we understand how biology learners think, let us move on to mathematics learners. Next, mathematics learners usually think in a more structured and logical way. They are natural problem solvers who enjoy working through questions step by step. In mathematics, finding the correct solution is very important. Their thinking also follows clear rules and formulas. Each step must be accurate and in the correct order, which train them to be precise and systematic. Moreover, mathematics learners often enjoy puzzle-like challenge. They feel satisfied when they find the correct method and solution, especially for difficult problems. They also rely heavily on patterns and logical reasoning, breaking large problems into the smaller parts to make them easier to solve. Now that we have explored both thinking styles, let us compare them. Last but not least, biology learners and mathematics learners show clear difference in how they think. Biology learners rely on memory and understanding, while mathematics learners rely more on logic and patterns. A simple comparison can help illustrate the difference. For example, a biology student might ask, which organ produces this hormone? On the other hand, a mathematics student might ask, which formula fit this problem? This shows that biology learners prefer story, explanation, and connection, while mathematics learners prefer system, structure, and step-by-step solution. Research suggests that this difference comes from how each discipline trains the mind and develop thinking skill. Now, we have discussed this difference. Let us move on to the conclusion. To conclude, biology and mathematics learners think differently because their subject require different skill. Biology learners usually think in story-based, visual and real-life way, while mathematics learners think in a logical, structure and step-by-step way. Both thinking styles are important and powerful in their own ways. Biology is strong in understanding life and system, while mathematics is strong in solving structure problem. Remember, different ways of thinking help us learn from each other and appreciate human intelligence. That's all from me. Thank you for listening and goodbye.